And obviously the logistics, right? So you got to get your vehicle, trailer, and a boat all there, and then you need to find a way to get all those things back to your lake house. So, free has a cost. So if your time is less valuable, then keep doing it. It works. Possibly more wear and tear on your boat. Because that's a tough environment to dock sometimes. All right. So now I visited Lake Martin. I did the public boat ramp thing long enough and didn't get any fights, so all worked out. And I got under 2 minutes, so my Facebook groups wouldn't make fun of me anymore. But now I'm like, well, I don't have a problem with the process. Why don't I just put a private boat ramp on my property? Good idea, bad idea?
It used to be a very common thing for people to want a private ramp at their property. I would say that they get used more probably with smaller fishing boats, different times of year. For me, personal experience, having a ramp on my property, I didn't use my boat that often because it was still just a hassle to hook up the trailer, back it in, and just kind of that whole process of getting in the water. So yeah, it could be a good thing, but I would almost bet that people aren't going to use it as much as they think they would.
Your own private ramp, in the sense of, like, if you have wave runners, one of the things we recommend is, they don't always need, if you're on a drive on port, you're sitting on those rollers, you're not kind of evenly distributing the weight.